RC4 Wireless is excited to bring to you CodeLoader 3, the next generation software to update your firmware. This playlist will walk you through how to utilize CodeLoader 3 to update your devices, and it will highlight some of the changes from previous generations. In order to update your devices, there's a few different things you're going to need. One, you're going to need a computer, such as a Mac or a PC, doesn't matter which one. Two, you're going to need your CodeLoader cable, so you can connect your device to your computer. Three, you're going to need a tool such as a screwdriver or paperclip to push the function button. Four, you're going to need a power supply. Five, the most important thing, you have to have your RC4 device. When you update your device in CodeLoader 3 for the first time, it's going to be a slightly different process than it will be down the road. We're going to start with our DMX4 DIMM. We're going to plug in the cable into the DMX port. And we're just going to very gently put it into my vise here. I'm going to connect my power up. I like to put a switch in line. It makes it a lot easier to operate. Turn the power on. In CodeLoader, we're going to click Next. And now we have to tell what version of device we're using. This is a 900 megahertz device, and it's a DMX4 DIMM. We're going to hit Next. We're going to select our firmware. The great thing about CodeLoader 3 is that it will tell you which version you need to select. So it's right here. And I'm going to hit Open. Go Next. In CodeLoader 3, we can now assign our IDs and our unit numbers while updating our firmware. So let's say this unit here, I want it to be unit number 15. I'm just going to go up here and put 15 in. And then now I need to tell it what my ID numbers are. I'm going to load my ID file. If you don't have your ID file, you can go to RC4's website and request it. My ID file is on my desktop, so I'm going to grab that. I'm going to hit Open. And now it knows what IDs my device should be. Down here, I can set what ID will be active when my device has finished its firmware update. I'm going to stick with ID 0. And we're going to hit Next. We're going to turn the power off. We're going to press and hold the function button while turning the power back on. Have 5 seconds to click the transmit button in CodeLoader. And there we go. Our firmware is currently uploading. And now it's going to load our IDs and our unit number into the device. And there we go. Not only has our firmware been updated, our IDs have been applied, our unit number has been applied, and our mask has been set back to its default. And we have the choice of either exiting out of the software or updating another device. Now that we've updated our device with CodeLoader for the first time, let's see what the process will be like from now on. I've already got my cable connected, and my device is already powered up. I'm going to hit Next in CodeLoader. And you can see, CodeLoader can now read all the information on your device. It can tell me what the IDs are. It'll tell me what the active ID is. It can tell me the firmware, what the serial number is, and even what the unit number is. I'm going to hit Next. We're going to select our new firmware. And one big difference now is when we update our firmware, we don't have to turn the power off while holding the function button. All we have to do is hold the function button and click Transmit. Once it's finished transmitting the firmware, it'll go ahead and prep your IDs for you, and it will update your unit number. And there we go. We're set to go. You can hit Next. And now you can choose to update more devices, or you can exit out of the software. By the way, there's a fantastic new feature in CodeLoader 3. You have the ability now to do dark mode. Dark mode's great for when you're backstage in light-sensitive areas and you don't want to have a bright screen. Thanks for joining RC4 Wireless. Make sure you drop a like, ring that bell, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new tutorials coming out and how-to videos.